Where are you from, Mike? Yeah, no, it's expressway in there in the Philippines. It's a nice view and place, so. No, no. I'm very slowly, so it's careful. It's okay, thank you. I'm going slowly only. Just 60 km per minute. Yeah, thank you, Mike. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's high ship already, but it's I'm going down, so I go back to Logger. Just 60 km per hour. Yeah, no worries, it's safe. It's almost 60, Mike Muckle. I'm stayed in 60 km per hour. Because I'm vlogging while driving, so I'll keep it slow, so become safe. Don't worry. Thank you very much. I can handle. Six-wheeler only, Mike. Six-wheeler close ban. Not as big as It's light truck only, light truck. Box, Mike, box. Close ban. Yeah. It's in the mirror. Just a six-wheeler. Six-wheeler close ban, light truck. Let's see, the tanker and the trailer are keep moving on me because I'm going slowly. No, it's 16 inches only. I'm going to exit now in the expressway. I'm going to service road. Yeah, but it's okay. I can handle this. I'm not going faster because I'm going to vlog. I'm going slowly only. 60 km per hour lang. Max na yun. No, we are monitored by GPS, so we are not going to go past because it's violation for me, for us. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's always. I know that because my family is waiting for me to go arrive home. And no need to go faster.